Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Queen Nikki. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. For my old subscribers, I say very big thanks to you, and if you're turning to my channel for the first time, you're definitely welcome. Today I want to show you the latest method of doing face cap wig, and this is the hair I'm using Darling products. As you can see, is 18-20 inches. So stay tuned and let's get started for the tutorial. This is how the wig will look like. Can you see? So lovely. So let's begin our tutorial for the day. So you need the wig, you need your face cap, you need your nova spray, you need your bonding. Those are the tools you need to achieve this face cap wig. So stay tuned and let's get started. This is the wig cap. As you can see, plain wig cap. So you can use any one you like, but this is the one I'm actually using for my client. So you turn it to the back because you are fixing the wig from the back. As you can see, you turn it, but before you start fixing, make sure you measure the cap from your client's head before you begin to wig the cap. So this is the Nova spray I'm using, and I'm using this bonding lanell hair bonding glue. So I love using this glue. It holds very well, and you need your scissors for this particular tutorial. So for you start from the first side, and for this particular one, you make sure you measure it first before applying your bonding. As you can see the way I'm applying my bonding on it on your screen. So make sure you measure it first before cutting it out. So after cutting it, then you apply your bonding. So after applying your bonding, you place it where you want it to be. Make sure you set it very well, then you place it. As you can see the way I'm placing it, make sure you place it and you hold it firm. So as you are placing it, you use your hand to secure it to make sure it holds very well. So after using your hand to press it, you use your hand dryer to blow dry it. Can you see? You use your hand dryer to blow dry it to make sure it holds it strong, because if you did not use your hand dryer, the glue will not last the way you want it. So make sure you use your hand dryer. After using the hand dryer, then you put your Nova spray for extra hold. When I said extra, you know what I mean. So that is why you need your Nova spray. So for that first side, you need to do like 8 pieces of the hair. So for this other side, you repeat the same thing of wigging. You repeat the same method. Are you getting me, guys? So now I'm doing the same method on the other side. So for this second side, I will use 8 steps, as in the wigging aspect is 8. So you place the hair like 8 times on this particular side, and the other side too is 8. So that is how I keep going with the hairstyle. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up if you love what I'm giving to you guys. So can you see? Make sure you place your hand to hold it firm. So, and that is all. This particular back side, you take small hair and to fill the space. As you can see what I'm doing right now, see, you make sure you use your hand to press it before using your hand dryer. to make sure the bonding hold very well. Can you see what I'm doing? So that is how you keep going. So for this particular side, you place it twice. You place it twice. And you see, just make sure you use your hand to trace it as you are blow drying it, so that it will hold it very well and it will make the wig last you longer. Just make sure you watch this tutorial from the beginning to the end, so that you won't miss any step of making this face cap wig. Can you see the way I'm doing it? So you use your hand to press it very well. So after when you finish with this particular side, then you take another one, you take it edge to edge, as in edge to edge. So guys, can you see what I'm doing here? So this wig cap is this face cap wig is very easy to achieve, only if you can watch the tutorial from the beginning to the end. So for this one, and can you see this one is longer, you place it from edge to edge. You are not making the wig all round, just from edge to edge, I mean from side to side. So, and for this particular one, you are just doing this edge to edge, the longer aspect, just do it twice, and that's all about the face cap wigging. So guys, as you can see the way I'm doing it, you make sure you use your hand to press it to make sure the bonding hold very well before you apply your hand dryer, before you use your hand dryer to blow dry it, to make it hold very well more. So that is how you keep going with the face cap wigging. As you can see, this particular tutorial is for those that are lazy of making hair, and this Christmas season is coming, and it's not everybody that would like to go to salon to make hair in order to save their time. And this particular tutorial is for you. You can do it on your own if you wish. So this is the last part I'm doing. Can you see the way I'm placing it? The space is not too wide, is not much. So just make sure you hold it firm and make sure you place your hand as you are turning it round. Can you see? So make sure you use your hand dryer, because without hand dryer the glue will not last longer the way you want it. So make sure you use your hand dryer to blow it out. That is the only way you can enjoy this face cap wig more better. So, and this is the final aspect I'm doing here. So guys, you are ready for your face cap wigging. Your face cap wigging is ready. Can you see? Just the last part, make sure you use your hand to press it very well to be more stronger, so that it won't pull out while brushing it. That is why you need to use your hand to hold it firm and use your hand dryer. So after that, you apply your Nova spray. Please don't forget. So we are ready. The wig cap is ready. The face cap wig is ready. We are done with our face cap wig, as you can see. So now we will turn it. You turn it to the normal face. So after turning it, you use your brush. You apply your spray, your hair treats, you apply it and you brush it out. And this particular one I'm showing you is how to keep the wig. As you can see the way I fold it inside the cap, so it's very easy for you to keep. So that is all about this tutorial. Thank you so much guys for always being there for me. See you on my next tutorial. Bye bye.